I'm gonna show you all how to clean a microwave. Easy. Let's get this out. Get you some water. This is not a lot. Add just a little dishwashing detergent and some, this is citric acid, dishwasher citric acid. Dissolve this. Let's go back to the microwave. With that lemon acid, citric acid, and the dishwashing detergent, just put it in and just wipe the area. You want to leave it, put a lot in because we're going to steam all this liquid. So get the top and the bottom and the glass also. Let it cook for 2 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on. We might not go 2 minutes. I'm gonna do this for 1 minute. The microwave is not dirty. This is just to clean it up. So we're gonna go 1 minute. I have some paper towels here and the rag that I put the dishwashing detergent and citric acid in. We're just gonna go 1 minute. Okay. Now, with that rag, just clean it. Wipe out all the water that you saw. Top and bottom. Okay, let's get the other side. Get the back. Corners. This side. Now the glass. See how they came up right on. Now to dry it with the towel. The plate and the turning part that goes in the microwave, you're gonna wash that in the sink. Top. Get those corners. The other side. So when you see these videos, you don't have to put water in and let it sit for 5 minutes. Just wet your surface, turn it on. There you have it. clean microwave. I'm gonna get that corner over there, and I'm gonna get that corner in the back. And that's the glass. Thanks for watching.